to get a lecturing opportunity of this program about my daily duties in Islamic law. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy and wise. When I get up at the time of Fajr, then I say, praise be to Allah who brought me back to life after he had made to die, and to him is the final return. Here, die means everyday sleep. Then I perform ablutions, prayers, Al-Quran reading, drinking milk, reading at madrasa time to time, listening, reading, writing attentively, private coaching, playing, etc. before sunset. Islamic rule-wise, I go to everywhere essentially. After Maghrib prayer, I prepare a home task all subjects. Then I take dinner and I listen Islamic theology, and I go to bed and I perform zikr and I say, "Oh Allah, in your name I die and I alive." No any change the duties means habitual fact, because Allah wanted to examine the day of judgment on moral character. So Allah said in Suratul Mulk, "Alladhi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala." He who created death and life, that he may try which of you is best in death and closer to the believers than their own selves. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said on Abi Darda radhiyallahu anhu, "An Nabiy sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ma min sayyin asqalu fi mizani al-mu'mini yawm al-qiyamah min husnil khuluq." No any heavy weightful things of the day of judgment without moral character, best indeed. Compiled Abu Dawud Tirmidhi. Therefore, we must obey our daily duties in Islamic law. Likely, Rasul is our leader of all. We are ready to obey his call. Rasul is supermodel of all ages. We should follow what he says. At last, I pray to Allah that He accepts our well education and award for moral character. That means best indeed, and award us your best reward in this life and the life hereafter. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.